In today's lecture, I am going to discuss on the topic exogenous processes. The exogenous processes are those processes which come from the forces on or above the earth's surface. Here exo means out, outer part of the earth, and genus means genesis. So the genesis of the processes from the outer area of the earth is called exogenous processes. These processes are too much responsible are the leading processes for the configuration of the earth surface, for the shaping, for the changing of the earth surfaces. There are so many exogenous processes are in the earth system, and among them most important are gradation, degradation, aggradation and weathering. These are the examples of exogenous processes over the earth surface. First picture, which indicates the breakdown of rocks due to frost wedging, due to frost action, freezing and thaw of the water. And second is the fracture. Second is the fracture of the upper layer of the rocks due to temperature variation, which is called exfoliation. Third is the breakdown of rocks because of the action of trees. And fourth picture is the changing of the earth surface due to river action. So these are very important to discuss because these are the different example of the changing scenario over the earth surface. And now the most important process, which is gradation. And the gradation means the leveling of earth surface because of erosion, transportation and deposition of sediment. Combination of these process, gradation is occurred. So gradation is specially the process by which a river bed is brought to a level where it is just able to transport the amount of sediment delivered to it. This is the picture showing the undulating landforms. And this undulating landform is gradually become to a smooth graded landform by the action of water or ice or etc. So this leveling of the earth surface is called gradation. So many agents, so many factors are responsible for occurring of gradation, which are gravity, running water. Running water is most important agent of gradation, which is found in everywhere, almost everywhere in the earth surface. Waves means the sea waves mainly, wind and glaciers. These are the agents of gradation. The next important exogenous process is degradation. Here degrade means lowering of the surface. Lowering of the surface due to erosion or weathering is called degradation. So degradation mainly refers to the lowering of a fluvial surface such as stream bed or floodplain through the erosional processes. And these are the pictures of examples of degradation by the action of river water. And the next important exogenous process is aggradation. Aggradation is the term used in geology for the increase in land elevation. So degradation is the lowering of the land, where aggradation is the increasing scenario of the land, upgradation of the land. And this is found typically in a river system due to the deposition of sediment, and aggradation occurs in areas in which the supply of sediment is greater than the amount of sedimentation. These are the example of aggradation where sedimentation is occurred in associated with the river beds, and the land that sedimented landform lands are upgraded in comparison with the connected river beds. And the fourth important exogenous process is weathering. Weathering is the breakdown or decomposition of rocks at the earth surface. So many factors leads to weathering, which are rainwater, temperature variation, ice activities, different types of biological activities, and so on. And weathering does not involve the removal of rock material. Mainly two categories of weathering are there. One is physical weathering. Physical weathering means the physical changing or breakdown of rocks without any changing of fundamental nature of the rock body. But chemical weathering is the change of fundamental nature of the rocks, change of chemical bonding of the rocks. Biological activities is also important, uh, and biological components are responsible for biophysical and biochemical weathering over the earth surface. These are the pictures indicates the weathering process due to the wind action or due to the frost action over the earth surface. And in concluding remarks, we can say that the land surface, upper surface of the earth are changed continuously from the geological past due to so many uh, exogenous processes. Lands are continuously modified due to the exogenous processes, and therefore the diversities of landform of the earth surface that we have found today is occurred due to the different kinds of exogenous processes. And finally, thanks to all.